Hello everyone, this is a new video. I recently purchased a Glock 17 Generation 5, and you see Gen 17, Gen 5, see glare. It weighs about 5.5 pounds. I got 17 round for each clip. Bought this at my local firearms store. It wasn't too much. Glocks goes around about $600 or up, depending what gen or Glock 22 is. I like to make two things clear, even though it is a gun review video. One, I know this is a gaming channel. I will do other gaming videos as well. And two, I support the Constitution of the Second Amendment, right to bear arms. Yeah. So these type of guns are used by law enforcement. This is a compact Glock 17 Gen 5. We purchase this is gun. You will get 2 extra clips, as this is a 17 clip, and another clip that is 17 as well. This is a speed loader, which you can do when you have ammo. When unfortunately I don't have ammo near me or next to me in my household, all you have to do is put this in, and it will push down. It pushes that down, so you insert the bullet in and keep going like that. This is a speed loader, which makes you reloading clip more faster than my hand, which you still do in my hand. Just have a little extra help for you. You also get some grips. If you want these are called beaver tail, how they look different from the other one. And you see I have 2 right here and 1 right here. The other one is on my Glock that I inserted, but had help with a friend to do it. And I didn't know how to do it, so he showed me how to do it. And then you get this little brush where you clean the metal after so many rounds you shot Glock. Also, you get a little tail, so you can insert a little twist. Just twist it on, and then once it's finally twisted, you can just boom. You ready to start cleaning your gun or your Glock. And you just untwist it. And then take it off and boom. Put it back where you had it. So they'll attach and brush it back, and boom, you're ready for the next clean. You get a a lock as well. With each firearms you buy, you get a lock, so it can basically it's telling you to your firearm is safe. There's no bullets in it, and everyone knows that your firearm is safe. And also you get some instructions as well, which if I can grab it, there we go. Let's see. That's the ARA. If you want to join them as well. The membership. It's pretty cool, but I don't know. I like the ARA companies. I support them. But yeah, the little membership you want to join. There's a Glock. You can go to the store online and then sign up through them, and you can get a discount, which you see the 20% off on their stuff, which is good. And also it's a warranty too when you buy it. So if something goes wrong with the gun, you can email them or send them a message saying, hey, something is wrong with my Glock. Can y'all fix it? They probably can. They probably what it is. Another foundation from the Glock just basically tell you how, I don't know. Yeah, no membership too, as well. How much in it, all that. Some classes on them to take if you want to. And then you get a guide of the safety of it. And there's that key I was talking about. Make sure your Glock is safe. That everyone knows. And it's just basically teach you the guidelines for the safety. How to use it, when to use it, what direction you point your firearm in a safe direction. Keep your finger off the trigger all times. Make sure no one's behind you. And then, train you basically clear it. And also don't use firearms when you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol. And then your basic owner's manual, what the safe action, all that. The normal stuff, how to it shows you to how to do what they're looking for. And yep, that's what comes into that. Getting to the Glock now. See, Glock 17 Gen 5. The clip 70 rounds. If it can focus. Shots. Yeah, it's a compact. A lot of law enforcement use this gun. See a trigger. You might see two, but it's actually one. The other one right here is in the pressure point. And also, let's before I do that, oh, I know, yeah, push this up, and then, yep, and you see it's clear, no ammo in it. And then back to the pressure trigger. Yeah, press it really not too hard, but I go for enough force so you can shoot. The Glock is, and there's no safety on it, and you can do it like switch it like any other gun. You can switch on safety. Most handguns don't have a safety switch or a latch that you can turn and safety's on. So yeah, keep that in mind. That's what they tell you. Keep your finger off the trigger. Keep the barrel pointed down to the ground, and make sure you don't point it at anyone. Make the area or you unsafe. Always be safe around firearms or using firearms. So yeah, there's the little what's it called? The handle thing. So my friend helped me put on. You can switch these up. All you have to do is grab your thing. Right, there's a little thing. All you have to do is put that into this hole and just push it out, and then you just remove it if you want to, or put a new one on and put that little pin back in, and then that's it. You're done. Right. It's up to you how you want it, how you feel. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. I did it because it felt a little better, a little more grip that I can have. But yeah, guys. That's the Gen 5 Glock 17. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I might have another video of another gun that I have that I own. But I will do another gaming video. I don't know when. Hopefully I get a laptop so I can start doing my gaming more. But yeah, if I get enough likes on this video, then I will post my AR that I have and do a review for that one. Thank you guys. Have a good day.